Hello everyone, today we have a 2016 Porsche Panamera GTS. Has a 4.8 liter V8, all-wheel drive. I'll go ahead and close this up so that I can take you for a tour. You'd have the black wheels and the red brakes. They look ridiculously cool. It is the GTS model. It has the quad exhaust. Actually, very large trunk space. Go ahead and put this down. It is a four-door. Show you the interior. Oh, I've got it locked. Okay, so you have a black leather and suede. There's a carbon fiber. It does have the upgraded racing seats. That's about $2,500 from the factory upgrade. Here are all of your climate and comfort controls in the back, along with your power supply. It does have a sunroof. Again, these are the racing seats with black leather and suede. Here are all the driver's seat controls. Here's a shot of the VIN. Carbon fiber just really shows up in the sunlight. Go ahead and hop in. And I'll turn the music down. It's telling me to fasten my seatbelt, which I'm not going to for the purpose of this tutorial. It has 43,759 miles on it. Come over here, you got AM, FM, XM, CD, and you have your push to talk with your phone. You do have an automatic transmission, but you can also shift it to manual and use paddle shifters. You also have your climate control, and you have your comfort controls, your heated seats, your automatic park brake, your exhaust sound mechanism, and then you also have your shock and your lift. Over here you have your cup holder, there's a power supply, and your center console. Again, you're looking at carbon fiber and chrome. The gauges are great. I'm going to go ahead and roll down the window so that you can hear it when I step on it. It just sounds gorgeous. Great sounding car. So at any rate, you come up here, you have your sunroof controls, your other presets. And this is suede right here. That's why it looks that way in the camera. Okay. All right, yeah, so the roof is suede. This does have a branded title. Go ahead and hop out, I'll show you. It also has the upgraded Bose sound system. It did have some cosmetic damage here on the front and on the back. As you can see, we've gotten it buttoned up. It did pass our 150-point inspection and our state of Utah safety inspection. And we do have, for additional inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.